Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. First of all, I wanted to apologize for yesterday's vlog. Last night when I was editing the video or the footage, I realized that like half of my clips were filmed outside and the wind was really noisy and most of the time you couldn't even hear me. Sorry, I have makeup from last night. I don't know from when or if I'm just dark. I feel like watching myself in the viewfinder, I look very dark. Well, maybe that's from not sleeping. Yeah. Anyway, so sorry for the bad quality of the sound yesterday. I don't know why that happened. Strange. Right now we are just in Natalie's room. I'm gonna pick out her clothes for today, and it's Sunday and I'm thinking I want to put her in a dress. I usually like to put her in something more pretty on Sundays because why not? She has a lot of really pretty clothes and if we don't use them they're gonna get too small really fast. So, okay, you don't want me to pick out your clothes? Okay. Well, I also have these options. This dress she got from her godmother, if I remember correctly, for her birthday. She wore it one time when we went to my mother's and it's really pretty. It's a little bit long for when she's on the floor and crawling around, but I really like it, and I don't know how the weather is gonna be, but I feel like this is a bit too summery. I love it though, it's really precious. But I also have this one, and this is gonna get small really fast, so I don't know, maybe I will take this one. But if I take that one, we need to put you in something underneath, I think. Oh, decisions. This is what I ended up choosing. I took the boho chic dress and her ruffle socks and a pair of leggings because it's a little bit chilly out today, I think, and I don't want to have only stockings or something like that. So leggings will be one. Here's the model. Thanks for ruining mommy's shot. This headband she's gonna wear and a little cardigan as well. Do you like your outfit today? Do you like your outfit for today? Huh? Can you say hello to our beautiful friends? Can you say good morning? It's Sunday and I'm very happy. I woke up really early. Look how she just stood up holding only my pinky. Oh my god, you're so good, Elfin. Yeah. Oi! She threw herself on me. Oi. Okay, here we are. My mother predicted that she was gonna walk this weekend, or she said, I think she's gonna be walking before Saturday finish, and that didn't happen, so I'm sorry, Mom. But she's more or less standing, and she have let go a couple of times and stood by herself for a moment. And when she realized that she's doing it, she gets like a little shocked. But she is happy, so she's scared but she's happy when she realizes it. Anyway, and yeah, now we're just in her room playing, and I have my clothes that I need to put away. I have my wardrobe in her room. So I think today is gonna be like a cleaning day, and hopefully we're gonna go down to the beach if the sun comes out. Right now it's a bit cloudy and it's only 9:15 in the morning, and I feel like we have had like half a day already. We woke up really early, so I don't know what we're gonna do. It's not so easy entertaining somebody when you have to be a little quiet as well. Caesar obviously is sleeping because he works nights, so yeah. I don't know if we're gonna take out the bike or if we're gonna go to the park or what we're gonna do. But later I'm gonna show you also one I got a question from my Instagram, a picture I posted on Friday of me and Natalie kissing in the salon. And I had a white dress on, and it's a really old dress from H&M, but I really love it, and I wore it when I was pregnant, and I have worn it after and before. I think it's an 8-year-old dress that they had for a... It was a limited edition collection called the Garden Collection or something like that in H&M. And I have 2 dresses from that collection. But somebody asked if I could please show it in full glory, like how it actually looks. So I'm gonna insert a clip of that later and probably post it on my Insta story as well. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please head on over and do so, because I post a lot more these days. And if you want to stay connected like every day with us, then you can follow me on Instagram and watch out for our Insta stories and that kind of things. And it's also more easy for me to connect with you guys and answer questions and talk together. But yeah, so welcome to our Sunday. Don't mind me. Are you playing with your balloon from your birthday? Ah, are you playing with your balloon? Yeah. Mommy loves you, you know. Okay, I have no idea what just happened, but after I filmed that last clip, she crawled up into my arms and fell asleep at 9:45. So I don't know what is happening with her. Maybe she's going through a growth spurt or something. But I have been trying to keep her to 1 nap a day for her to fall asleep better at nights, and normally she go down around 12 now. So now it's 11, she has slept for a good while, and I decided that I should get a head start on lunch, so when she do wake up I will be able to take care of her and all of that. But yeah.
Esperan los resultados de las pruebas para identificar los cadáveres.
Are you recording? Mira, te está grabando la mamá cómo le damos la lechita.
Ya que entre las víctimas hay 11 extranjeros, ciudadanos de México, Argentina y 2 saharauis, entre ellos uno con pasaporte español.
And here is the dress I was talking about, that somebody asked about in my Instagram, and it's just a normal white dress. I have no shoes at the moment, but Natalie is getting angry, so we're gonna go out, and Rocky needs to pee too, so you want to go outside? Yeah. But if you want to see the picture of the dress, you can head on over to my Instagram and also my Instagram stories, and you'll see it. What do you want? Ice cream. I don't think it's a good idea.
Rápido, rápido, que se cae. Rápido, se cae.
So we are here and we're having some ice cream. It's like our Sunday tradition right now. Having ice cream and going down to the beach.
Siempre haciendo tradición.
Yeah, it's like a tradition.
¿Cómo se inventa la tradición de tu mamá, Una fiebre del bloguero. Se ha vuelto bloguera ya. Me pongo bloguera. Hola, me hago bloguera porque me gusta el Vlogmas.
Thanks for the ice cream, Shuri.
De nada.
Did you like yours?
4.40.
4.40.
O sea, 8.80.
Oof.
Au.
So 4 euros for my little ice cream.
Tiene mucho, Está dando muy cara,
Yes, it was very expensive. Okay, we are going down to the seaside and the beach. And Natalie was crying because of the sun, but I think she's feeling better now. She has a little hat on her In her little dress. You're so pretty. Yeah, you're so cute. Anyway, just a typical Sunday. She's standing up, Shuri!
Mira,
She's
mira.
standing up, Shuri!
Olé, muy bien. Venga, ahora la música, ahora.
Don't let her fall down with her face. Much later, and it's about 9 o'clock, and Natalie is asleep. I can't believe that what she was doing today. She stand up and she just lifted her hands and no support. I'm thinking she's gonna walk very, very soon. My mother had the vision that she was gonna walk before Saturday was finished. But she didn't, but she's standing up by herself. So crazy. And I just wanted to say thank you for watching today's video. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Please hit the little bell notification as well to get notified when we post new videos. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And also, if you want to come and follow me on Instagram, it's where I will be more interactive with you, and it's the place where you can be up to date with everything that's going on. So thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye!